Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here. So today we're going to make the pink flamingo ring that was inspired by my live stream last week. I will link up that video below. What you're going to need for the project is 20 gauge wire. This is the artistic wire in the fuchsia color. I have a hot pink Miracle Bead. I have 18 gauge wire for the band. I have my wooden stepped ring mandrel and my tools. So I'll start with a 6 to 8 inch piece of the 20 gauge wire, and a little to one side I'm just going to bend it and make a stiff bend and then give it a good pinch. This will be the beak and we want it quite pointy. So I'm just going to take my round pliers and hold it in place. Bring this one around for the bottom. Bend the wires over together, and then we're going to slightly split them just a little bit so it looks like that. And then for the top of the head we're going to take the round pliers again, bring this up, and then form the top of the flamingo's head. We don't want it too high, so we can just like kind of rotate it down a little bit. And then we're going to start forming the neck, so we're going to push that way and that one that way. And then we're going to bring this one down. Play around with it till you have the shape you want. I will put the templates in the description below. And we're just going to bring this one around, and then we're going to form the back. So just where you want it, we're just going to bring that one around, bring it over. If you want to use a round form, you can always get a pen and kind of rotate it down a little bit, just so it's in the shape that you want. I find these pens are good for that. So we're just going to bring that one to here, and then we're going to have to put the ring band in the tail, so you don't want it too sharp. We're just going to take our round pliers and then just bring this one down and up and then down like this, and that's going to sort of form the tail bit. But we want room for the 18 gauge wire there. So just bring this one down. Push that one to the back, and then I want to kind of bring this one around in a way that we can put the bead in there. So we're leaving room for the bead. We're going to stick the bead on there, push the bead right in there, and then bring this one around to the back. Bring it around, right around to the back, so we have it looking like that. Then we can take our round pliers, slide them in there, bend this back a little bit. We can bring this one to the front, keep it simple, and then bring this one all the way around to here. Just pinch it in with the pliers so it holds in place. Use your nail and just bend it straight down. So now you have something that looks like that, and we want to form the legs. They are a little long, but this is a novelty ring, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. And now we're going to take these round pliers and then just form a little foot. So we're just going to bend that one here, bend it over, and form just a very simple circle. And this serves also so there's not a sharp end, and it makes a nice finish. So we're just going to clip that one, pinch it in place. Make sure this one's about the same size. You can measure it with a ruler if you want. So same thing, we're going to bend it to one side and then just make a little loop for the foot and clip it, and we're just going to push that flat so it's flush. So there we go. And then all we have to do is bend the leg that way. So we'll just take our pliers at the halfway point and we'll just bend it to the back. If you need to adjust it a bit more, bring it underneath, bend it like that. So there you have your flamingo. Those would make super cute earrings as well. Very simple. And now we're going to take our 18 gauge wire and our ring cone and just wrap this around the ring cone there and there. I love making rings like this, so easy. We're going to bend this one straight up. We'll just place this so we know where to bend the wires. So this will be there, and then this one will be bent a little bit over, and we'll just take our round pliers again and bend this straight up. So what you have are these two ends pointing straight up, and if you need to, you can trim them. And then we're just going to take the flamingo, stick one side there, other side in here. So there we have in the ring shape, and then we're going to bend these back. So if you need to help it with the pliers, just hold it with your round pliers, bend it back a little more. This one too, hold it with the round pliers, bend it back a little more, and then we can put it back on the ring cone. So just stick it back on the cone, push that down, that one down, remove it. You can hold it and even like push it down a little bit more. Get your flush cutters and clip it flush. Close your eyes so it doesn't fly in your eyes, or wear glasses like me. We're going to pinch it in, and then this one too, we're just going to bring that one down, and then we'll clip this one. I'm going to hold the end this time so it doesn't fly. Push those ends in. Make sure they're not sticking out and they're not pokey, and then we'll put it back on the ring cone to the size you want. This is just to shape it properly, and there you have your super funky pink flamingo ring, or it could be earrings or a pendant. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.